I will never, never, never sleep in primrose again. Hey there, my natural hair queens and kings. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Shay and I go by Bahamian Curl Girl. Today, I am going to go ahead and show you how I achieved this first primrose look. Let's take a moment to appreciate this shine, this bounce, this definition. Okay? Yeah. But before we go ahead and go into the video, be sure that you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I am on an experimentation journey where I'm trying to do a new hairstyle for every week until I run out of hairstyles for my new haircut. This is the second video for the series of natural hairstyles for short natural hair. So be sure that you subscribe if you don't want to miss any of the future videos on how to style your natural hair, especially if you are transitioning. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in. So I will be using the Main Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut Mousse and these perm rods that I bought a while back. Also, I need to mention that I actually use the Curls Poppin' Pineapple as a base leave-in underneath the mousse because it has such a heavy hold. I wanted to make sure that my hair still had some softness. And the key for this perm rod set, this is my first one, what I decided to do was roll it regular at the end and then do a twisting motion. That way my roots would be a bit stretched out. And I found that by just adding the mousse and doing that twisting motion, I was able to stretch my roots. Disclaimer, most of this tutorial will be with me smacking this gum like nobody business. If anyone's interested, yes, it tastes amazing. It's like the Orbit strawberry, and I want to make sure that I got all the taste out of this gum. So yeah, just keep in mind that you're going to see me chewing this gum like crazy. I found that section in my hair made it easy for me to know like what section I wanted to do first and how I wanted to do it, and it just helped to keep the hair out of the way so that when I started to roll the perm rods, they wouldn't be getting knotted with any other section that wasn't supposed to be with it. I found that combing the mousse through and making sure that the product was evenly distributed made the perm rods super easy to roll on, and like I said, roll at the end and then a twisting motion all the way to the top to ensure that my roots were stretched out and to minimize any frizz that I may have gotten. I'm going to go ahead and show this last one in regular speed. That way if you miss it, you kind of get the gist of how to do it. And the rest of them I'm going to speed up just so the video isn't extremely long. And as you can see, I'm having a hard time snapping this one in. This was not the only one that gave me a hard time, and you'll see later on in the video that some of them even popped while I was doing it, like this one here that I'm about to do. You'll see when I roll it to the top and I go to snap it in, watch what happens. And then I have to take it out and redo it. These are really cheap perm rods, so I had that issue all through this hairstyle, so that was super annoying. At this point, I'm probably about halfway done with the hairstyle, and I'm just gonna, like I said, speed through this part because I think you should have a gist of how to do it. And as you see, I had another one that popped. I probably had about 10 of these that popped, and it was quite annoying. Okay, so I'm completely done setting the rollers. It took me about an hour to an hour and a half to get this right, but now I'm gonna sleep on it and then we'll see how it looks the next day. Okay, so this is the next day. I waited a full 24 hours to make sure that my hair was completely dry so that I didn't have any frizz when I took it out. I am super nervous on how this is gonna come out, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the first one and see how it comes out. And yeah, I think that this is gonna be a success, and I am super excited to see my final results. So the more I unravel these, the more excited I get because you see that definition and that shine. I can't help but be excited about these results. Okay, so this is how my hair looks right out of the rollers. As you can see, I have major shine and major definition, and I can't be more excited. So now I'm going to go in with this oil to separate my curls. For anyone that's judging me, I know this is a scalp oil, but all of my products I left at the salon, and with quarantine I haven't had a chance to get oils, so I use what I had at home. And in a few you will see that I start to regret this because it started to burn my eyes because it's a really strong oil and it has, I think it has peppermint, which helps to tingle your scalp. But yeah, it's all I have, so don't judge me. And now I'm separating this first section to see if I get like any major frizz or anything like that. The one thing that I did notice is that as I separated, I started to feel flakes and my hair felt a bit crunchy, like there was a cast. But honestly, that was like the least of my worries because the shine and the definition that I got made up for it. So here's that exact moment that I regretted using the oil because my eyes were on fire. And this is where you can start to see some of the flakes coming on the camera. As I move on, you can see them more. Like at this point I was like, cue the Christmas music because the flakes legit looked like snow. And then I realized that I missed a whole section, so now I have to go back and separate this one as well, and then after that I will be done. And y'all tell that I'm feeling myself because I absolutely am. I am in love with how this perm rod set came out, and I couldn't be happier. Minus the flakes, of course, but here's some close-ups of each angle of how it looks. Very minimum frizz, shine, and definition. It doesn't get better than that. Flakes is the only downside of this perm rod set. And y'all know no hairstyle is complete without a bit of fluffing of the roots for more volume. So I'm just taking this pick to give myself more volume at the roots. Honestly, in an attempt to get rid of the flakes, I felt like a dog because I kept shaking my hair to try and get rid of the flakes and they just would not go away. So I just gave up and said that I would just live with the flakes because I like the hairstyle so much. And now I'm going in with An edge controller just to smooth out my edges on one side because I kind of want to pin this side behind my ear. And then we'll show you the final look. And also I'm smoothing out my roots with this edge controller as well, just to minimize any frizz. You have it. That is the final look. If y'all feeling this look, be sure to drop some flames in the comment section to let me know that y'all like it, and let me know if you would try this hairstyle. But this is it, and I absolutely love it. Be sure to check out my next video where I do a full product review on the Main Choice Pink Lemonade collection. You will want to hear what I have to say about the mousse. And honestly, this is my first time and I'm happy with my results. The only thing is I wish people who have done perm rods before had warned me not to sleep with my perm rods. I had the worst night ever. I could not get comfortable in any position. My back was hurting when I woke up because I was like tossing and turning all night. Just how hard they was laying on it, like nothing was comfortable. And I said, if I ever do perm rods again, they have to come on the same day. So I have to sit in a dryer. I have to like blow dryer it or something because I will never, N-E-V-E-R, never sleep in perm rods again. I like to be comfortable when I sleep. When I was younger, like when I had relaxed hair, I used to do this all the time, like sleeping in uncomfortable hairstyles because, you know, beauty is pain. But I like that my natural hair, I sleep with it at night and I'm free. I have no pain. So them perm rods, never again for night. And then also these were some cheap perm rods that I got. So every like 1 or 2 perm rod that I did, the end that snaps in was snapping out. So I would have already rolled it up and then it snapped out. So I had to unroll it to put a new one on or to reattach it. So annoying. But it is what it is. I like it. I'll see how long it lasts. I'll also document it on my Instagram page. So if you're not following me, follow me at bahamiancurlgurl. That way you can keep up with how the set actually lasts, like if the flaking goes away, like how it holds up in the weather, because I mean it's basically summer now. So be sure to follow me so you get updates on how this works and how it looks after the next couple of days. But that is it for my video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or honestly any advice for the next time that I do it, this was my first time and I am happy that this wasn't the 99.9% of the times that my hair fails, because that happens every time I try to experiment. I love that this actually came out. It also is giving me like Marilyn Monroe vibes because I have short hair and like the curls, and I feel like if I was to comb it out, anyway, y'all get the picture. But if you have any advice on how to make a perm rod set better for the next time, let me know below in the comments. Let me know if there's any hairstyles in particular that y'all want me to try. I am y'all test dummy. I try it before you try it so you don't waste your products, your money, or your time. So just let me know below in the comments. But that is it for my video. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future videos, especially the next natural hairstyle that I will do. You want to know when I post that video. So subscribe, turn on that notification, and that is it for my video. When you know better, you do better. Bye.